Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing fluffy omelet. Seems super basic, but so many people ask this question, and I have some tips and tricks for you to make the fluffiest omelet ever that doesn't smell like a stinky egg. Because I hate waking up in the morning and smelling like a caked on egg that's been overcooked. There's no worse smell to me in the world. So I'm going to show you how I make it with only one pan and one spatula. I don't even whisk it in a separate bowl. I don't follow the rules, and you may think I'm crazy, but I'm going to show you how I do it, okay? And it's perfect. You're going to love it. All right, so I have my pan over here on pretty high heat, okay? I use olive oil. You could use butter. You could use canola oil, whatever you like. So get your oil nice and heated. There's nothing better than a yummy, fluffy egg. Am I right? Whether you put cheese in it or not, it should be fluffy. And it's all about incorporating that air and continuing to just mix and mix and mix. So while it's heating up, I crack my eggs right on in. So let's say I do a 3-egg omelet. All right. So right away when it starts to get white, that means it's starting to cook, you just start whisking. So most people use a separate bowl at this point, whisk your eggs in, and then you pour it into your pan, but I am all about saving on dirty dishes, and if I could just avoid that, I will. Trust me, I will find a way. So now I'm gonna lower my heat, so it's kind of like a medium-low, because you want this to kind of cook low and slow. You don't want to take too long, but you don't want to burn them. So the key is to keep moving it around, okay? I'm gonna season it pretty liberally with some salt. You can do some pepper, really any spices you like at this point. I love cheese in my eggs. I just love it. So I'm adding it in. Mike prefers not. My kids are split. Jolie likes it, Andy doesn't. So it just depends on your crew. So that's it. I'm gonna bump up my heat a little bit. That's kind of like a medium heat, but you see how fluffy it looks? And you just keep gathering everything from the edges so that nothing is sitting for too long. You just keep moving things around. And then depending on if you're doing a scramble or an omelet, I usually just do a scramble because it's easier, and I also like it when it doesn't cook for too long on one side. If you were doing an omelet, you would just push everything to the center. Now that you've whisked it for a while, push it all to the center and spread it out kind of like that. See how fluffy it is already? You've worked in so much air because you're constantly moving it. So at this point, you would just wait a couple minutes, you would flip it onto the other side, and you'd have a really fluffy, delicious omelet. Or if you wanted to go the other route and do more of like a scramble, which is what I usually end up doing, I keep mixing it around, and it ends up being even fluffier because you keep getting more air worked into it. So just keep on going. You mix, you mix, you mix, and depending on how you like your eggs, Mike tends to like them very dry. I kind of like somewhere in the middle, but I kind of go back and forth with my spatula here, working that air into it. Look at these fluffy eggs. You guys are going to love these. I'm gonna go get a plate. And check it out, my friends. Most perfect fluffy eggs you will ever have. Look how fluffy. All mine. Get out of here. Hope you guys love that. Let me know what you think below. Try it out, comment, and let me know how you do with your eggs. I hope you succeed and make the perfect fluffy eggs every single time. Love you guys, and thanks for being here.